Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have a really great and easy to use money making website that lets you make money by basically doing nothing and from home at the same time. Now this website is very easy to use and I'm going to show you guys in the video just how easy it is to set up and to make money from it. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money making videos showing how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the website, as you can see on my screen right now, is called Adexo. The full website is adexotrade.com, which I'm going to link in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And when you first start up your account, you're going to have to deposit funds into your account. So you can see that I've deposited $400 into my account, which is the available funds, and it's also the amount that I've replenished in total into this account. Now, once you have money in your account, what you want to do to make more money is go into the Invest tab. And when you go into this tab, you're going to be given a number of different options that you can invest into. So you can see right here there's the 1.1% per day. So this is how much you're going to earn per day based on the amount that you invest. There's 1.3%, which has a limit of between $500 and $2,500. So I can't do this one. I can only do the 1.1% because I have $400, and that's between this range over here, the $10 to $500 range. But just to go through, there's also 1.6% and 2% per day, depending on how much you invest. The more you invest, the more you'll earn per day. And you can see down here, these are the different types of companies that they're investing into, and it also corresponds to the rating that this company, Adexo Trade, has. So now that I have $400 that I need to invest, what I'm going to do is just type in 400 right here, and it'll show you how much you'll earn per day. So 1.1% per day is the equivalent of a daily profit of $4.4. And this will be a total profit of $532 once the time is up for the investment. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to activate the offer. And by activating the offer, it invests the money into that portfolio. So now I've put $400 into this 1.1% per day portfolio, which is going to give me $4.4 every single day just by doing nothing. And once you have invested, you can just sit back and relax, and you can just watch your money grow every single day through your control panel. So now you can see right here it says that I have $400 in active investments. And now if you look down at this screen, it says I've invested $400 out of the $500 maximum. And on the right, it's going to show my profits, which will be displayed 24 hours after my first deposit, which I just did right now. So in 24 hours, it'll show me how much I've earned. And down here, you can see some more statistics about your account. So you can see that I added $400 in US dollars just recently. And you can see down here, these are like their daily stats. So they have 2,200 users online and almost 3,000 daily transactions. And this is their net profit. So they've made $127 million in June and $153 million in July. And these are also the transactions that they made in different types of investment portfolios. All right, so now what if you wanted to deposit money? Where would you go? So you'd have to go into the Finance tab and then go into Replenishment. And from this tab, you can deposit using different types of payment methods. So they have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, they have a whole bunch of different cryptocurrency payment methods that you can use to deposit money into this website. And then once you do that, then you just have to go back into the Invest tab and then you can invest from there. But I do want to make you guys aware that this is an investment, so there's always an associated risk with the website and with your money. So there's always a chance that it might not work out. Maybe the company goes down and you will lose your money. So I want you guys to be aware of that and just be sure that you're taking into account the amount of risk that you're putting into this. But the good thing about this website is that they are really, really financially secure, and the chance they do go down is very minimal. So if we go over to their homepage and we go into their About page, you can see that this is really a legitimate company. So now if you go down here, you can see that they were established in December 2019, and they're based in the United Kingdom, which means that it is a good country to be in. There's no like red flags that are being thrown up to me because they are based in such a well-known country, and specifically in London, which is a well-known city in a well-known country, the UK. So now if you just go down here, you can see that they actually have their own trading floor, which means that they actually have a physical presence in the UK. So if you wanted to go up to their offices in the UK and you live nearby, then you actually could. So that's also another good thing, is that they are a real company with a real physical office that you can actually go to and speak to them if you really wanted to. And now actually if we go into their news, you can see some more proof of this, because down here you can see it says that they successfully opened their office, so they actually have news about that. And you can see this is their second office actually. So they are very profitable because they can actually open up 2 offices in a very pricey city, that is London. Now, if we go into their frequently asked questions, you can see some of the different things that people normally ask and their answers to them. So registering is very easy. You just have to sign up over here. Will contribute to the fact that you receive daily profit. So they basically manage assets of many different companies, and they'll manage your investments on your behalf. So you don't need to do anything to get your daily profit after investing. So it's the same as, say, investing into a mutual fund or an ETF, because all you have to do is just deposit money into that fund, and they'll basically manage it for you and then pay out the profits that you get from the investment. Alright, and then how to withdraw funds. All you have to do is just go into your account and then you create a request to withdraw your funds and wait for the processing. And it says that most requests are processed within 10 minutes. And the rest of that depends on the cryptocurrency that you chose. So if you withdraw into Bitcoin, then they'll process that in 10 minutes and start the transaction. And then it takes some time for all of that to be approved on Bitcoin's end, and you should receive your payment very, very soon, like within the next couple days, if that. It might be even faster than that. Now there is a fee, and you can see here that they are set based on the different cryptocurrencies that you're using. So Bitcoin has obviously an auto withdrawal fee, which is decided by the blockchain. So you just have to keep that in mind, that you're not going to get exactly what you withdraw, but it's going to be pretty close. The fees aren't that big, so you won't be losing that much of your money, but just be aware that it will not be exactly what you withdrew. Now it says here, when can you withdraw? And the answer is that the amount of your deposit will be available for withdrawal between 30 to 60 days, which depends on the portfolio that you chose to invest in. So you can't just invest and withdraw like the next day. You have to wait for at least a month or 2 before you can withdraw. And this just gives them time to invest your funds and make sure that the investment is actually paying off and that you're getting your money's worth for the amount that you invested. Alright, so now those were the frequently asked questions. Now let me just go through a couple more things on the website itself. Just some extra things that you can do to either earn more money or withdraw your money. So now if you actually wanted to withdraw, what you would do is you would go into finance and then you go to withdraw funds. And from here you can once again choose between many different cryptocurrencies. Obviously Bitcoin is probably going to be the most popular and the one that I would use, because I mean it's just everyone uses Bitcoin. So if you really wanted to pay other things with it, then you can use the money that you earn from this website, withdraw into Bitcoin, and then just buy whatever you want. And after you do that, then you just have to enter the amount and then click on withdraw. If you do have a Bitcoin wallet, you're going to have to enter that into your profile, just right here. It's not that hard, just get your withdrawal code and you can just withdraw from there. And down here you can see different analytics between the many types of cryptocurrencies that they have, and yeah, just make your choice from there, whichever one you use the most. I would say is the easiest choice. It's very simple, very easy, and as it said, you'll get it within the next couple days. And now another thing are the partners, and with the different partners that you have, which are basically affiliate links or referral links, what happens is if they sign up under you, you get 6% of each investment that they make. And if someone signs up under them, which is called a second level partner, as you can see here, you get 2% of that second level partner's investments as well. So it's kind of like a little chain of people here, which gets you just even more money doing nothing, because whatever they invest is just money that you earn as an extra amount. And if you go down here, you can see how many people that you've referred. You can even get banners and stuff that you can do to share it with other people online, on forums, on a video, or whatever. And yeah, it's just very easy. You just have to copy this link and just share it with people. If they sign up under it, then you get extra money that they invest. So yeah, like I said, guys, this website is very easy to use, and although there are some risks associated with investing, with this website, the risks are pretty minimal. They're also very transparent with all of their investments and their earnings, so you can check that out on the website if you want. But yeah, you can just make money by doing nothing with Adexo. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.